Kindergarten is a big milestone for children and for their entire family. We want to put learning tools in parents' hands to equip and empower them to help their child succeed. We've put together 200 of these free learning kits to help students prepare for kindergarten, and we'll be giving them to families who attend our upcoming kindergarten registration event on January 20th. The first item is the Reading Readiness Activity Set. Families can use this activity set to develop early literacy skills such as matching uppercase and lowercase letters, learning sounds, and blending and segmenting sounds. The second item is the counting puzzle cards. Each matching puzzle has a number from 1 to 25 on one piece and a corresponding illustrated animal on the other. As kids count and match, they develop early math skills through play. Finally, the Water Workbook includes teacher-developed activities focused on tracing uppercase and lowercase letters and practicing beginning letter sounds. Parents, remember, you are your child's first teacher, and what you do makes a difference. Using these materials will help prepare your little one for kindergarten and help set them on a path to success.